So while biking, I decided to show my mountain bike. I bought this 2019, so this is going on its 6 years already. So this is a Giant E-Trans. So after more than 5 years, it is still in very good condition. Now let's take a look at my mountain bike. And what changes have I done or I did with this one? First, because I usually ride on the smallest gear, this used to be 11 speed. Now I changed it to 12 speed, and when I changed it, I decided to shift also to the cable rest SRAM derailleur. So this is the derailleur, and the control is this one here. Control is using 2032 battery. This one, the battery is here. This is a battery, and it's rechargeable. So this is a 27.5 by 2.6. I have not changed this yet. Well, it's still in good condition, and I'm not doing long ride. Usually my ride is about 1 to 2 hours. Maximum is about, my average is about 30 kilometers. So I haven't changed it yet. And it has a Fox shock absorber. Fox shock absorber. The battery is here. You can remove the battery. Okay. This is a mid-motor e-bike, e-mountain bike. That's a Praxis. I don't use cleats, so this one I've been also using this ever since I got it. I haven't changed it. There's a shock absorber also here for the rear. And then what I did here is I have a quad lock. I used to put a bigger phone, now only the iPhone 13 mini, because too big phone is heavy and several times it falls down, even the bracket. So let me move here. I have a GoPro here. I use this for my lighting or camera, and also this one. This one is my bike computer, but it's too old already. Okay, this is the switch. I have the 3-level power left. This one is the level for this one, for the seat post. Okay, this is adjustable seat post. And I usually put a side mirror. I changed this already. Okay, and basically this is the mountain bike that I'm using. Okay. Charging port is here. And then you can put water. This is the lock to remove the battery. Also, I always put a kickstand. People don't like it, but I think it's so convenient that I could make my bike stand anytime. And I have a bag here. What's inside the bag? Let's open it. Extra battery for the SRAM, and then my gloves, light. Okay, let me put this in the ground. Some wipes, another extra battery adapter here in case I want to change to another camera. Alcohol, face mask, lock, tools, my ID, and some money, small change, tools also. So this is what's inside here. Let me return it. Close it. I guess that's all. And recently I purchased a Meta glass, and when I bike I use the Ray-Ban Meta to take photo or video. The problem is the battery life is short, so I have to put it on the case for a while riding. After 30 minutes I put it in the case, and then I will get it again after 15 minutes to recharge the battery so I can record it again. Part of my riding gear, of course my helmet, is this one. I always bring this bag. I put my phone here, and inside here is my side mirror, and then some extra light. When depending on the bike that I use, I can have my light always with me, and then some reflector, tools, a ball pen. So basically this is what's inside this bag, and I put a reflector at the back, okay, of this bike. I want to take a video. All I do is I will say, "Hey Meta, start recording." As you can see, there's a light already here blinking. It is stopped. Oh. Capture failed. Try again. "Hey Meta, start recording." Okay, now it's recording. You can see the light blinking. Okay, so that's what I do now. I don't bring so much camera. I just use this one. By the way, I have a small light here. I put a light here also at the back. Okay, put a light here also at the back. I guess that's all. This is my giant e-bike, e-mountain bike that I've been using for the past 5 years.